Have you been wanting to find your own little piece of Texas, but you're nervous about being too far away from the city? I have got the perfect property for you. I'm Karis Jones with the Heart and Home Group with Ebby Halliday Realtors, and this is 4030 Weston Road in McKinney. Come check it out. The main home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The home office actually has its own entrance. Garage is oversized. It would easily fit 2 cars and any extra toys that you have. Above the garage is a wonderful space being used as a workshop right now. You could turn it into livable space if you wanted to. It has AC and heat, just needs to be finished out. The sellers built this addition in 2017 as a high-end boutique kennel. Why don't you come in and check it out? This space is a 13 by 30. The kennels are removable and it can easily be turned into an art studio, a workout space, or a completely separate apartment. It has water and electric. It also has AC. The kennels are both inside and outside, so the animals can have the best of both worlds.